Good afternoon, Ryan from Perry's here. Just a quick video on the basic controls of your new vehicle to minimise contact when you come into the showroom. Okay, so starting off on the steering wheel, this is where you've got your volume and your Bluetooth controls for your phone. Okay, so when your phone is connected up via Bluetooth, which I'll show you how to do in a moment, you can answer the call and decline the call with these two buttons here. Okay, you've also got your volume controls here, so you can turn the volume up and down. This one here, when your phone is connected up via Bluetooth, you can change the songs just by going up and down on this dial here. Okay, it will also go up and down the radio stations. Okay, this button here, when your phone is connected via a USB cable, which is just down here, it's voice command, so you can say call and then it will call whoever you wish in your phone book. Okay, mode will just go between FM, AM and DAB radio. Okay. Right hand side of the steering wheel is where your trip computer is controlled. Okay, so the little one that looks like a paper there, push that and it will go through your different settings on your trip computer. That's where you get your miles to the gallon and things like that. Okay, mode is for cruise control, so you see there at the top it says cruise. Now to set that, you just pull that down at your desired speed and it will hold you at that speed. To cancel it out, simply push that 0 or just tap the brake down there. Okay, the vehicle is fitted with a speed limiter as well, which you can see there. So again, you just pull it down to set and it will set it to whatever speed you want it to. The vehicle will not go over that speed. And then again, just to turn that off, you just push mode. Okay. On your indicator stalk is where your lights are controlled. So the vehicle is fitted with automatic headlights. So you just turn it to auto and you won't need to touch that again. Okay. I'm just going to turn the lights on just for the purpose of the fog lights. Okay, so there's your fog lights in the middle there. When they're on, you'll see at the top there, the green and the orange symbol just to the right. And then when they're off, they'll go off. Okay, and then your indicators just up and down. Okay, window wipers are on the right hand side of the wheel, so the front ones, to control those, you just go up. Okay, higher you go, the faster the windscreen wipers go, and then the rear one, you just turn the dial at the end. Okay, now to use the windscreen jets, you pull it towards you for the front and then you turn the dial and turn it once more for the rear. Okay, down by your right knee you'll see some more buttons down here. So this one here is your lane keep assist. Okay, so when you turn that, you'll see the little symbol in there and it will use a sensor just up behind your mirror to detect the lines of the road and it will keep you within those lines. Okay, one where it says set, that's for your tyre pressure monitoring system. So if it comes up you've got a low pressure in your tyre, simply pump up the tyre to the air it says in the manual. Okay, push and hold that button and it will set the tyre pressures back to where they should be. Okay, and then you've got your headlight adjustments. They have been set to the correct level, but if you want to adjust your headlight you can do it there. Okay, down here is all four window controls. So you've obviously got the two rear and the two front. Okay, this little dial here, that's to go between left and right exterior mirrors. Okay, and then you can control if you want them up, down, left, right on there. Okay, and then you can actually lock the rear window. So if you've got children in the back or anything in the back that you don't want to open the windows, push that and whoever's in the back will not be able to unlock the windows. Okay, you'll have control over them in the front still, but they won't be able to do it in the back. Okay, the vehicle is fitted with heated seats, so you've got passenger driver side and passenger side. There's 3 settings, so you'll see 3 orange lights. To turn it on, you just push it once, and then turn it off. You just push it 3 times and it'll go off. It's also fitted with a heated steering wheel. That's just got 1 setting, so that's just on and off. Okay, and this little A off button, so that's the stop start system. Okay, so when you come up to a set of traffic lights and the vehicle's in neutral and your foot is on the brake, okay, the engine will cut out. Okay, and then when you put it back into gear again, the engine will cut back in and you'll be on your way. Okay, here's all your heating controls up here. So the middle one you've got is your fan speed, and then you've got your fan direction, and then you've got hot and cold. Okay, when your middle one is on at least number 1, you can push the AC on. Okay, let's turn it off. This is your lock and unlock button. So when you're driving along, the vehicle will automatically lock after about 10 or 15 miles an hour. Okay, you can obviously control that with that button there. Moving on to the radio station up here, so you can split into quite a few different sections. So you've got on your left hand side, you've got the radio. Right hand side, it's for USB connection. So as I mentioned down there, USB, simply plug it in and the vehicle is fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if your phone is compatible with those 2 apps, you'll be able to mirror your phone up onto the screen. So you'll be able to get things like Google Maps, Spotify. Okay, so if you want to change your radio station, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either tap the screen and then go to list, or you can click the radio button. and then again go to list, and you can scroll through all the different radio stations that we've got on there. Okay, now when your phone is connected up via Bluetooth, you just push media and it will go to your phone. How to set your phone up is nice and easy. You push setup on there, go to device connection, and then go to Bluetooth connections and click add new. It will ask if you want hands-free calling. You just click OK, and then you go to your mobile device or Bluetooth device, go to the list and find i10. Okay. The fuel cap in this vehicle is on the left hand side. Easy way to tell is there's a little arrow next to the fuel. Okay, and how you open the fuel cap in this vehicle, just down by the driver's side, you've got a little cap. You lift up and it will open it up on the left hand side, and then to close it you just push it shut. Okay, if you've got any questions you can just refer back to this video in the future or just give me a call. Thank you, I'll see you soon.